Dog training made easy with Dogs Trust is the fun, enjoyable, but most importantly, positive way to train your dog. Positive training is all about rewarding your dog when he does things right. I don't think this is some sort of cop-out. Positive doesn't mean permissive. You can create all the same boundaries, all the same ground rules for your dog using positive training methods as you can using any other method of training. But you'll do it in a way that builds the trust that your dog has in you and builds the bond between you. Old-fashioned training methods are all about looking for what the dog does wrong so you can punish him. Think about yanking back on the lead if a dog pulls. With positive training methods, we're going to show the dog what we want him to do instead and then reward him for it. It's a win-win situation for us both. So how are we going to reward our dogs? We're going to use really yummy food that they love. And that's because for dogs, food is always positive. Dogs don't have to be taught that food's good, they already know it. But also, dogs are hardwired to work for their food. That's how they would survive. And so we can use that instinct to make sure that we have a well-trained, well-behaved dog. Dogs repeat things that are beneficial for them. If it's good for the dog, he's going to do it again. So a well-timed treat means that you can be guaranteed that that behaviour is going to keep happening. So why don't we punish our dogs? Well, punishment erodes the bond between you. Dogs are supposed to be our best friends. And you wouldn't teach your best friend to do something by shouting at him or even worse, hitting him if he didn't get it right. If you did, he wouldn't be your friend for very long and he'd think you were a bit of a bully. Dogs are thinking, feeling, emotional creatures just like us. So why should they do what we ask unless we show them that it's fun and that it's beneficial for them? Now, don't let anyone tell you that training with food is bribery. Well, it is right at the beginning when you use the food to show the dog what it is you want. But after the dog knows what it is you want, the food comes as a reward for a job well done. You wouldn't work for no wages, and so why should your dog? Later on in your training, you're going to learn how to reduce the number of treats that you're using so that you're not having to reward every time because your dog's just doing it for the fun of it. Your dog's going to do what you want because he wants to, not because he's too scared not to. So, get out there, stop looking for the bad things to punish and instead show your dog what you want him to do and reward him for it. That's what dog training made easy with Dogs Trust is all about. So get out there and have some fun.